Isa, si Luan. Okay, ready? Ayan, mommy and daddy, tabihan po natin si Luan. Okay, ready? Sasabayan po natin yung music. Okay, music please.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
At syempre, mas masaya naman. Alright, make a wish and blow the kadaluan. Tulungan po natin siya, mommy and daddy. Ready? Yay! Happy birthday, Luan! Ano yung dyan? Hindi ba ito pinakpan yung bibig ni Luan? Ano tiyang? Ay, gusto niya mag-iiyak siya. Okay, at kahit siya, sabay-sabay po natin patiin ulit si Luan ng 3, 2, and 1.
Happy birthday!
Dyan, happy birthday, Luan. Thank you very much, all the guests. Pwede na po kayo po. At